Hi, I'm Lisa and this is an Appetizing Live, and today I'm making one of my favorite green juices. Yes, green juices are still a thing. I like to use apples, cucumbers, celery, a little lime, a little bit of ginger. And the best thing about all of this, you can do this all in a blender. You don't need a juicer. So this is my green juice with no juicer, made in a blender. Time to juggle. All right, so I'm gonna prep all of this stuff. We're gonna get the cucumber sliced. I'm taking the skin off because I'm not using a juicer, and I just don't think this will taste very good blended. Maybe I'm wrong. And you can compost the skins if you want. I highly suggest that. And I'm just gonna cut these up a bit. They'll process a little bit easier. Let's get our ginger. You could use a peeler. I like to use a spoon because you don't waste as much ginger. See? Now I'm probably going to use about an inch of this. You could add more if you want. It just gets a little spicier, so that's completely up to you. I took half of a lime and I carefully peeled the skin off. Take your time with it because otherwise you'll start to get like bits and pieces. We have some celery. They charge a fortune for celery juice now. Nobody used to think about celery. Now I saw it was like $8.49 somewhere, which is crazy. So make your own celery juice. I'm gonna add the leaves in there too. And last but not least, our apples. So I'm just gonna cut the top off of that. Cut around the core. Chop that up. Now, before I blend everything, I want to get everything in place so we can strain it. So I have a big bowl. I have a mesh strainer. And I have some cheesecloth because I want to make sure I get it completely strained. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that at the end. So I'm going to add about half a cup of water in there just to give a little liquid in the bottom. I'm going to add all of those ingredients in. The apples, the celery, some celery just dropped on the floor, that's okay. Cucumber, I'm going to put the top on. So I have my mesh strainer, my big bowl, and I'm just gonna pour that in. And I know it's thick. You see there's juice coming out. We're gonna get all that juice out of there. So with the back of a spoon, just get in there and get all the juice out. Now there's still more juice left in this, so I'm gonna get some cheesecloth. I don't need this much. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this, hold on. Okay, I cut a little bit of this. I'm gonna pour that in there and take each of the ends. And look at all that juice still in there. There's still more juice. Then I'm going to try to carefully pour this in here. Wish me luck. And there's your fresh green juice. I've got a little glass with a little bit of ice. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to taste it. Very refreshing, very healthy. Great way to start the morning. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you know every time I put out a new video, which is every Friday morning. And I will see you next time here on An Appetizing Life. Cheers. A little vodka would be good in this too. Just saying. This is crazy. I can make a dress out of this. I don't need this much. Hi, it's Lisa. Yeah.